Are you questioning everything dogmatic that you've been taught about the soul, the cross, and the resurrection? What if the true journey of your soul has been hidden from you all along? In this video, we'll unravel the ancient Egyptian Ennead, a profound spiritual map that not only predates Christianity, but also serves as the foundation for many of its core doctrines. By exploring these ancient teachings, you'll discover how much of what you've been taught has its roots in this earlier wisdom, offering a deeper understanding of who you truly are beyond religious dogma. By the end, you'll discover how these ancient teachings not only shed light on your spiritual journey, but also reveals the deeper truths behind the beliefs you've been questioning. If you're ready to uncover a more empowering, authentic path, stay tuned. This could be the missing piece you've been searching for. But it doesn't stop there. What if I told you that the journey is also mapped out by the Greeks in their Tetractys, a powerful, mysterious symbol from Pythagorean philosophy that reveals how the universe unfolds in perfect harmony? The connection between these teachings isn't just historical. It's a profound link that shows how the Greeks borrowed and adapted these ancient Egyptian truths to create the foundation of Western thought and Christianity. The ancients understood something that modern religions have forgotten. Numbers were never just for counting. They were sacred codes carrying deep, universal meanings to shape the way we understood creation, the soul's journey, and the very structure of reality itself. The Tetractys, when connected to the ancient Egyptian Ennead, reveals how these numbers tell the story of your soul's journey from light to form and back again. These hidden truths offer a more expansive, universal perspective that transcends dogma and invites you to explore the wisdom that's been waiting for you all along. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the foundation of this journey, the Tetractys. This ancient symbol is much more than a mere geometric shape. It's a roadmap that unravels the secrets of creation and the very nature of existence. Let's explore how this powerful concept connects the one source to the multiplicity of the many and the entire universe. Explaining the Tetractys and the double progression, a roadmap to creation. The Tetractys is a triangle of 10 dots arranged in 4 rows, representing the qualities or universal functions of the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a symbolic map that holds the secrets of the universe. Each row represents a different metaphysical state of being or a distinct function of the universe. The double progression. The sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10, representing how the one source becomes the many. It's the journey from unity to diversity, the path every soul takes as it descends from the spiritual realm to the material world. This is called the double progression. Next, the divine emanation. This progression is how creation unfolds in stages, moving from pure potential, which is known as the monad, to physical manifestation, the decad. And this journey is mirrored in the story of the Egyptian Ennead, where 9 divine netters or functions of nature emerge from one source. In ancient Kemet, or prehistorical Egypt, they taught that our physical world came into being from this set of 9 metaphysical qualities or characteristics of nature. They were not counting quantities. The numbers in each level express qualities and how nature functions in the metaphysical world to produce the physical. They call this the divine emanation. The same philosophy is told differently in the Old and New Testament. I'll address that in another video. Now that we understand how the Tetractys serves as the blueprint for creation, let's connect it to the Egyptian Ennead. We'll uncover how these 9 divine figures represent the journey of the soul, each step shedding light on our path from potential to physical form. Are you seeking deeper meaning, yearning to unlock the ancient secrets of the universe? Imagine having a guide that holds all public knowledge, history, the wisdom of ancient texts, and remember how to decode the ancient secret language they were written in. A mentor who's available 24/7 to reveal the mysteries hidden in esoteric knowledge. Introducing the Esoteric AI Mentor, your artificial intelligence chatbot assistant and personal guide trained to decode the metaphysical knowledge and wisdom of the ancients. With the power of AI, you can explore the pre-Christian teachings of the Bible, ancient Egyptian mythology, and metaphysical principles like never before. Take control of your own learning at your own pace. This isn't just another chatbot. It's your spiritual companion, designed to provide tailored guidance that evolves with your journey. Get answers to your deepest questions that matter most to you. No more having to search through obscure websites or reading through entire books to find that one nugget. Ask your question and get the answer tailored just for you. Interpret ancient symbols and your dreams, and receive daily insights to keep you aligned with your spiritual path. Our members are experiencing breakthroughs. It feels like having a 24/7 mentor, says Sarah, a spiritual coach. The AI made ancient wisdom so accessible, shares Mike, a metaphysical enthusiast. Your spiritual journey is unique, and so is the guidance you will receive. Start your journey now with a 3-day trial. The universe is waiting for you to reveal its secrets to you. Unlock ancient wisdom. Transform your spiritual path today with the Esoteric AI Mentor. Click in the video description to get more information and start your 3-day trial today. Unveiling the Egyptian Ennead through the Tetractys. The monad. At the top of the Tetractys is the monad, as viewed in Pythagorean and Platonic traditions, is the singular, undivided origin of all existence. It's the point of absolute unity from which multiplicity, that is, everything in the universe, arises. In the Egyptian story, this idea of the monad is personified by Atum, the primordial creator, who emerges from the noon, the waters of chaos. He represents pure potential, the undivided oneness from which all things are born. Atum represents the theoretical potential of the spark of existence, the first divine fire or desire to come into being. He embodies the universe's potential, the very moment when the source of all creation ignites and begins to unfold, giving birth to everything, including souls. It's the original lake of fire. This concept is the true meaning behind the lake of fire. But this lake symbolizes the birthplace of souls, not a place of eternal damnation as later Christian interpretations suggest. Next, we have Shu, air, and Tefnut, moisture. These are the first beginning elements of the perceptible universe. They are the twins, the mirrored or inverse aspects of each other. They represent the first act of separation, the masculine and feminine principles that emerge from the one source. This is the philosophical idea of God seeing his face. This is the dyad of the Tetractys, where oneness divides into duality, and the universal soul's journey begins to take form through the active and passive energies. The journey continues with the constituent elements of Geb, earth, and Nut, sky, forming the cosmic or metaphysical duality of heaven and earth. This represents the triad, or 3, in the Tetractys, where the first complete form emerges, and the universal soul's journey becomes more structured. Geb and Nut are about the separation between spirit and matter, the soul's descent into the physical world, where it now experiences both the earthly and heavenly realms. Here we come back to Shu as the void or separator. He has a secret name. Finally, we reach the tetrad, the number 4, where the story becomes even richer. The 4 sibling netters, Osiris, cyclic nature of the Ka, Isis, the womb of physical life, Set, opposition and chaos, and Nephthys, the metaphysical death of the soul and its eventual return to the metaphysical world. All embody the complexities of a soul having a human experience: love, struggle, birth, death, transformation, and resurrection from the physical world and returning to the spiritual world. This level is about the journey of the individual soul and represents how the soul fully enters the material world. Within the original ancient Egyptian philosophy, the soul dies when it loses its omnipotent awareness and crosses over into the earth plane to live on earth. That's the original meaning of the cross and crucifixion. The cross is the four metaphysical elements needed to build a foundation for physical existence. The soul dies or is crucified on the cross so that the physical body may live. As we've seen, the Ennead takes us through each level of creation, but there is one more profound insight waiting to be revealed: the hidden 10th point. This mysterious point represents the soul's return to its source, completing the journey. Let's decode this final, often overlooked aspect of the Ennead and discover why it's so essential to our understanding of the soul's journey. Section 3, the sum total, the Ennead's hidden 10th point, 9 divine figures. The Ennead completes the progression from 1 to 9. 9 netters that tell the full story of creation, but always pointing back to the invisible 10th point. Just like the Tetractys, which totals 10, the hidden 10th point represents the soul's return to unity, the infinite potential from which all things emerge and eventually return. But now the soul is more powerful because it has been through the experience of a human life, gained knowledge and ultimately wisdom, which is the highest form of learning for the ancient Egyptians. Wisdom is the inner contemplation of knowledge. Wisdom is knowledge infused with intuition and personal insight gained through life experience. By now we've seen how the Ennead and the Tetractys unfold the journey of creation. But the story doesn't end with ancient Egypt. It reaches across time and culture, echoing the Kabbalistic tree of life. Let's connect these threads and see how the journey of the soul is a universal theme shared by many traditions. Connecting the Ennead and the Kabbalistic tree of life. This ancient journey isn't unique to Egypt. It's echoed in the Kabbalistic tree of life, where the 10 Sephiroth represent the divine emanations from the infinite source into the finite reality. The tree of life and the Ennead both describe the journey of the soul, moving from unity to multiplicity and then back to unity. Showing the journey of the soul is a universal process that cultures around the world have recognized and expressed. We've journeyed through the Egyptian Ennead, the Greek Tetractys, and the Kabbalistic tree of life. Now, let's bring it all together to see how these seemingly different symbols actually form a unified blueprint of consciousness. This final section will reveal how they all map out the soul's journey from light to form and back to light again. Section 5, bringing it all together. The Ennead, Tetractys, and the universal blueprint. The Egyptian Ennead and the Tetractys and the Kabbalistic tree of life are more than just symbols. They're maps of consciousness guiding us through the journey of the soul from light to form and back again. The personifications of the Ennead show us how the soul descends through layers of creation. The Tetractys explains how numbers and divine principles guide the process, and the tree of life connects it all, revealing how this journey is both a cosmic and personal experience. These ancient teachings reveal one powerful truth. The journey of the soul isn't something that happened a long time ago or is about one special being. It's happening within you right now. This journey is ongoing. The story of the Ennead, Tetractys, and the tree of life is the story of you as a soul, descending from divine light into the material world, learning, growing, and remembering its connection to the one source. Explore these symbols, embrace their meanings, and discover how your life is a part of this incredible journey of light and creation. Did this help you gain some clarity along your journey? Leave a comment below. Subscribe, like, and share with anyone that may be helped by this knowledge along their journey.